We will guide you through how to make an image look glossy in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, right-click the Google Chrome shortcut, then select Open from the available options to launch the browser. Click the address bar at the top of the window. Type Photopea into the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard to search for the website. Select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘. Select Open from Computer to access the photo you want to edit. Browse through your files and locate the photo you prepared before starting the tutorial. Click the photo to select it, then open it in Photopea. Once the editing page has loaded, press Ctrl and 0 on your keyboard at the same time to fit the canvas neatly to your screen. To make the image look glossy, continue by adding a new layer through the Layers panel. This separate layer allows you to create the glossy effect without directly changing the original image. Next, choose the brush tool and set the brush color to white. Adjust the brush hardness to approximately 20% so the edges of the brush remain soft and blend smoothly with the image. Carefully brush over the area where you want the glossy effect to appear. After applying the white brush, go to the Filter menu at the top of the screen. Open the Blur menu and find the Gaussian Blur option. Select it, then increase the blur value until the brushed area looks soft and naturally blended. Next, right-click the edited layer and select Blending Options. Adjust the background values by dragging the left slider point toward the right. Continue adjusting the setting until the effect looks similar to the desired result. Remember that every image is different, so the best blur and blending settings may vary. You have now learned how to make an image look glossy in Photopea successfully.